warm welcome to all of you worldwide. We're just waiting for the central characters to make their appearance, and then we will be underway. This is Peter Drury, and next to me, providing insights, will be Jim Beglin.
Hi everyone, and thanks Peter, it's great to be on board.
So off we go then. So Jim, tell me this, who are you looking for in particular here?
Yeah, Cristiano Ronaldo. I don't think there's any doubt he's one of the best around, Peter. Probably one of the best ever. He's an incredible physical specimen and a phenomenal goal scorer. You can't question his commitment and determination either. He's always in peak condition and he'll adapt his game to whatever role is requested of him. I think he's going to have a huge impact on this team.
Yeah, hard to see past him. He'll be looking to put on a show, I'm certain of that. Zaha passes it through, and a header! Goal!
And some of the best managers I played for insisted on starting games as you mean to go on. And we've just seen a very important opening goal from an extremely talented individual who looks primed for more. He really does look at it.
Great header, made it look easy.
Well, look, it's often the timing of the jump that dictates what you can do with any header, and if you get it slightly wrong, then you'll struggle. But that was beautifully met, it really was.
Deadlock broken, it's 1-0.
Well, just listen to the reaction. I think you can hear the approval from the support all around the stadium.
Going through. Who's he going to play in? Zaha, he's got away. Chance! Has a swing at it! And it's Carvalho. Ziyech. Oh, the ball's come loose! And it's been taken straight back. William Carvalho. Brozovic. He's got options in the box if he gets his head up. Ziyech. Cristiano Ronaldo.
These early exchanges have been frenetic. Looks like we have a proper game on our hands, Peter.
Plays it out to the wing.